In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a broken or cracked left door hinge cover on your Whirlpool refrigerator. If you need to buy a new hinge cover, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The left door hinge cover is located on the top of the fridge above the left door hinge. Now, on the top of the fridge, remove the Phillips screw and plastic cover over the hinge. When shopping for a new hinge cover, be sure you're searching with the model number from the tag in your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. This part is side specific, so make sure you're ordering the correct one. Next, reinstall the plastic hinge cover. This may be tricky as the wires need to be routed through the cover. Again, this can only be installed in one direction. So that's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you want to see more videos like this and these, please consider subscribing.